How to fix Telegram login problem. If you want to fix login problem on Telegram, it is usually because there is some kind of issues and you're not receiving the code. The first thing is to ensure that our phone number is correct. It could be due to an improper phone number. Make sure you have got access to this phone number and make sure that you're receiving messages quite well, because if you're not receiving messages, Telegram might not be able to send you the verification code like this. Also ensure that your Wi-Fi is working just fine. After you've done the steps, sometimes it could just be the app issue. So you can try to close the app, uninstall, and also try to reinstall the app. Go to your Play Store, check if the Telegram app has an update, and if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. If none of these are working, the only alternative solution that I can suggest to you is to search for another app in your Play Store and App Store, which is Telegram X. This is also like Telegram. It is not a third-party app. It is the official app developed by Telegram developers themselves. So you can instead use this app and try to log in using the same phone number. If none of these are working, even if this is not working, then chances are that Telegram might have restricted your account. So in that case, it might be wiser to wait 1 or 2 days before you try to log in again. But to give you an idea, I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.